Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $2 every minute watching videos on YouTube. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that magic number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. I'm at this website. The name of this website is Picoworkers. Now guys, this is an online marketplace that connects freelancers, business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. So as you can see right here is a task right here that somebody has done on this website. So once you come to this website, guys, what I want you to do is click right here where it says freelance and earn. And it's going to show you how much people have made on this website so far. So this person right here have made $5.50. This person right here has made 63 cents. This person right here has made $551. And as you can see how it's changing, this is in real time, guys. And here's one right here. This person have made $1,857. So you can make some good money on this website. Now, guys, I have an account. So what I'm going to do is log in and show you how to find the YouTube video tasks. Hey, guys, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. Now back to the video. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. And the first thing I want you to do once you go into your account is click right here where it says category. And you're going to click right here where it says video marketing. And click on apply, and it's going to show you all the tasks where you have to look at YouTube videos and make money. Now here's one right here. All you do is just watch the video and you'll make some money. Now all of them have different amounts that you could make. This one 40 cents. And here's one where you have to watch and like. And as you see here, this one 90 cents. And here's one where you watch and like. Here's another one where you watch, like, and drop a comment. Here's one where you need to subscribe. So this is all the YouTube video tasks that's available, guys. And it only takes, what? Probably seconds to like a video and maybe a couple of minutes to watch a video, and you'll make this money. Now, if you want to make even more money, guys, all you have to do is find more jobs by clicking right here, and it's going to give you all different type of jobs right here. As you can see here, this one right here, download an ebook, you're going to get $5. And as you can see right here, you can follow quick job. You can download this walking app. They got a Fitbit Pro, install and sign up. So they have all different type of tasks, guys. It only takes seconds, maybe a minute to do these tasks, and you're going to get $1, $2, even $5. And one last thing, guys, you can refer a friend. So I'm going to click right here where it says refer a friend. So they have affiliate program right here. So it says post affiliate link on blogs, websites, forums, social media, or write Picoworkers review. Refer new members and earn commission revenue. So here's the link right here. This is my link. So you're going to have your own link once you join this site, and you just go on websites, blogs, social media, and promote this site. Once somebody sign up, you're going to get paid 5% for each deposit. So every time they make a deposit, guys, you're going to get 5% of that. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. This is a very good website to do little small, simple tasks and things that you do on a normal basis, like watch YouTube videos and get paid for them, guys. So to get started, go ahead and go to picoworkers.com. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks again. Road to 8,000. Let's go. Let's get it. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.